Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in another video. In today's video I'm going to show how to transfer your photos, your videos from your iPhone to your desktop and from desktop to your iPhone. So the first thing, we're going to download a program that it calls 3U Tools. The link is going to be in the description. So click download. You have to wait a little bit till it's downloaded. The file, you can find it on download section, or you just click on the link below. Install the program. Don't skip any part so you know what to do. Launch the program and it's gonna pop up with something that is said like you have to install the iTunes if you don't have it in your desktop. So we're gonna start in iTunes too. Click next and install. You're gonna wait a little bit till the iTunes is installed. It's something required from the program because they're both connected with each other. We're not gonna open iTunes, just finish, and we are ready to go on. The next thing, I'm gonna connect, I'm gonna screen mirror my iPhone with a desktop. So you see what I'm gonna click on the phone. Yep, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna connect our phone with the desktop or laptop, whatever, with the data cable. Click your trust and click your passcode. So we are in to our desktop, we are connected. Click OK. You can see here so much things about your phone, but we're gonna click on photos. As you see on the video, click on photos and you're gonna see everything, every media what you have on your phone. Click whatever you want. You can drag and drop photos like in other, like for example from Samsung, but you have to click on export. So select whatever photo you want or video. I'm gonna select my videos, like 4 videos for example. Click export. I'm gonna put them on desktop in a new folder. I'm gonna create 2 folders. So one is for another purpose and the new folder is for this one. So we're gonna click OK and export and file to new folder, as you see there. So I'm not gonna skip this part so you see how the process is done, so you don't miss nothing, and everything gonna be, if you want to pass your files by yourself, everything is gonna be clear and you can miss nothing. So as you see, we are to the end of transferring. Yeah, you can click on open folder or OK. I'm gonna click OK because I'm gonna explain that import photos from your desktop, laptop to your phone. You can click on folder, select folder. You can click whatever folder you want, so you can transfer your whole folder to your iPhone. Yeah, you can transfer your whole folder. Yeah, that's it. and you just click OK, and everything gonna be okay. Sorry guys. Another thing is like you can create like import files. So select a file. I'm gonna select a photo in this case and open. I agree. You're gonna pop up with this one. I agree. You have to click it. You're gonna go to your phone now, and you can click dismiss on this one. It's okay. And open the new application, Pick Tools. Allow access to all photos, and voila, we successfully passed one photo from our desktop to our phone. And this is it, guys. I think if you have any question, just write it down below. I will explain it. I'm gonna answer it about everything. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.